So this is a quick video like how we can utilize env files in our test scripts, and this is applicable for playwright with typescript and also the playwright with javascript. And if you are using react or any node.js, orange HRM is there, and here we can see we can input username password and click on login. So here you can see your navigate to dashboard. So the same flow if you automate. So we have to define basically you will need to paste out go to and your page URL, that is your mention here, and this is your locator for your text box username password. And you are filling the username password value. Now clicking on the login button and validating your navigate to dashboard. So here you can see like we are defined here the username as admin and password is one admin 123. But the point is if you are keeping this in this script, so anyone can like view this, and this is a security concern. So for this one we can use the .env file where you can store your base URL, username, password. Now so we need to replace this. Let me execute the scripts first. Npx playwright test login page, the page name, and I am opening in the header mode. Let me run this. My browser is opened. Okay, it shows my scripts are passed. Let me open the report also. Okay, and here this is my username password that is I am printing in this page. Okay, this file, this is for the demo purpose I am doing. In real time we do not supposed to use console.log. So now how we can utilize .env file. So first thing is you need to create a .env file and you can store your all environment variables and the respective values. Now in the script, simply I can do is to use this environment variable, you need to use a package called .en dot where is that? Yeah, .env. Okay, how I got is go to Google and type env file in Playwright. Here go to .env, and here you can just need to check these 2 points. You need .env and path. Path is a by default, and env you need to install this package. And after that you need to pass this one .env config, and then you path mention your which path you have this env file. So they are telling on this particular path they have this env file in the source directory. Okay, so what we can do, we just import these two. This is our page. Okay, so we will import these two. Now we need to utilize, just copy this second one, paste here. Now env file name is .env, not mynv, so remove this. Okay, now path is in the base directory. Base directory is your test directory is ./tests, inside the tests only. So this is the base one. No required, not required to change anything. Now we need to read this. Okay, how to read? So we can read using, let me utilize the same variables only. Process dot env. Okay, process dot env dot. Now come to your env file, and what is the key here? Base URL. Just copy this and paste here. This one. Similarly for the admin also. Process dot env dot, you have mentioned user. Okay, paste user. Now come to for the password also same thing. Process dot env dot password. Fine. Save this now. Here you can see some errors is there. It's saying base URL is string or undefined. So ideally, like when you run your script at the time, it will give you. So to declare this one, this value as a string, what you can do is add a space here, type as and string. Okay. Similarly, here as string. Okay. Now no errors is there. One more point is that I have .env you need to configure. Okay. So for this one, copy this one. Here you can see dot dependency .env is there. Let me remove this. Okay. Save this one and npm install. So this .env would be removed from my system now. Remove one package. Fine. Now come to here. Here you see it's showing this cannot find module. Okay. So what you need to do is npm install .env. Click enter. One package is added. Okay. If you go to package.json, you can see your .env is added. Fine. Now here your error is also removed. Now what we will do is we will run this script, and here you can see this base URL. I have logging here and username password. Check whether it's running fine or not. So let me run this in the header mode only. It's running. Let's open the browser now. Okay, type admin and password, then login successful. Here you can see URL is this is and password is admin and sorry, username is admin and password is admin123. If I go to this report, let's open this report also. User is able to successfully log in, and this is your what is I'm logging in. So in real time we do not require to use this console.log. Just save it, and this way like you can, this is a real time we are utilizing your credentials also you are managing through your environment files, and also your uh, URLs also, right? So this is a quick video like how we can utilize env files in our test scripts, and this is applicable for Playwright with typescript and also the Playwright with JavaScript. And if you are using React or any Node.js, then also with the same thing we can utilize .env and the path modules, and you need to define .env config and same process .env and your variable name. You need to declare that one and you can utilize those ones. Thanks.